Welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. So today I'm going to address a question I had from one of our viewers. I recently did a video on how to print your notes on your iPhone. Asked me a question of how do they print a PDF file or a graphic file. So I'm going to show you how to do both. Let's get started. Okay, so if you want to print a file, whether it be a PDF or any other type of file, it's essentially the same. And this will work for photos as well, but I'm going to show you how to do both separately. So we'll start off and we're going to tap on our files. And in my case, I'm just going to go onto my iCloud drive, but you can do local files on your phone as well. And I'm just going to go into my downloads folder. And let's just pick something. So this is a PDF file. Just your standard run-of-the-mill PDF. So you go down to the lower left and you tap on that little square icon with the arrow on it. And you just scroll up a little bit and there's print. So you just tap on print, select your printer, and then you just hit print. Now I'm not going to actually print because this is a kind of a long document. It's like 12 pages or something. So that's how you do that. I'll take you through doing a photo. So we'll just go into photos. And we'll just pick a photo and we're looking for the same icon, the little lower left corner square with the arrow. And this way, on this one, you got to scroll down a ways. And right near the bottom, you'll find print. And you do the same thing, you select your printer. Set up whatever settings you want to make. And then hit print. And that's it. It's that easy, folks. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? So if you learned something here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you're looking for further resources, whether it be for your YouTube channel or for video editing or even building a computer, community or other advice, as well as my links to my other social media, why not visit my website, which is fuzzed.ca. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope to see you back here soon. Bye for now.